Come along on this weekend vlog as we go to our first Homeschool Expo, do a little bit of fun yard work, and go thrifting at our local flea market. We've never been to one of these before. It came up on the Macaroni Kid calendar. A friend had sent me also a link to this. So we're gonna go ahead and check this thing out. Is it worth it? Is it not worth it? Hey, it's a Saturday morning, why not? Now that we are a homeschooling family, why not check this out? This expo took place in one of our local Christian private schools here in Erie. There were different booths set up with local organizations and different families that have homeschooled that were selling like their used curriculum at a very nice, decent price. And it was the perfect time to talk to other experienced homeschooling families. There are so many amazing organizations out there and opportunities available in our area that we had no idea that they even existed. The kids also had such an awesome time. They got a hands-on experience and actually got to hold a chick.
Here's what you need to know about holding a chick. First thing, it's a live animal, so it's gonna move, okay? You can't hurt it. Second thing, you see its cool feet? They feel like toothpicks when they touch your skin. Okay, you want to pet its feet so you know what you're getting into? It does not hurt, but it feels like a toothpick. So you do this for your business? And the last thing is, it's an animal. So, it's going to move around and do animal things, but you've got this. Okay, so first thing, put your hand flat. Okay, I'm going to help you.
Yeah, we do.
Still okay? Okay, and the next thing, put your hand around its back. Yep, you don't have to hold it. There you go.
Oh, you're holding the chicken.
You feel it purring like a cat, how it kind of vibrates, right? Good job. So this little chick is about 2 weeks old. 2 weeks ago, it fits in this size egg.
Oh my goodness.
How crazy, right? That's okay. It's a lot.
She's been wanting to hold one of these for a long time.
It's all right. Oh, you're putting it to sleep. Oh, you're doing such a good job. She's taking a nap. You want to hold it? Okay. So ready? It feels like dinosaur feet, right? That's what I call them little velociraptors. So start with the flat hand. Be good? And then use your other hand to cup its back like that. Yeah, you don't have to squeeze or anything. You just got to hold it so it feels safe.
How does it feel, Noah? So soft. The concept of this is so amazing. This is definitely something to think about in the future, especially since we live within the city, and in the city we're not allowed to have chickens. So for our kids to be able to have the experience of hatching a chicken and go through that whole process is just such an awesome science idea for us to think about in the future. Noah has been asking for piano lessons, and this has been coming from him. He has that desire now to learn, so we're so excited about that. So we came across this booth, and this lady right here, she is so humble, so amazing, and she just loves the Lord. We were like, oh my goodness, I think we just met our piano teacher. And Noah just felt so at ease and comfortable around her, and she was not intimidating at all, that Noah was like, Mom, I like her. I want her to be my piano teacher. After that, we really felt like our visit here was complete. We didn't have a need to buy curriculum or books, so we headed back home.
Such a hot day and a nice day.
Did you like going in there today?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I got all those races for $5.
I know.
That's cheap.
This is what Mamie bought for $5.
It's like a pound. It's literally a pound. Feel it.
It's pretty heavy.
Yeah.
So, Hun, so what did you think about this expo experience?
I think it was a good experience. We found a piano teacher.
Yes!
Possibly for me and for Noah.
That chicken thing was so cool.
Yeah, the chicken thing was pretty cool.
Yeah, you could rent the chicken, hatch them, and do all that stuff, and then they'll come and take it away, and you don't have to worry about the hassle.
Yeah.
Or having a pet you can't have.
Oh, she got her balloon?
Yeah. A pet you can't have in the city. So all in all, not bad. Much better than what I thought it was going to be, for sure.
Yeah, it was fun.
We then headed home, and it was such a beautiful day that we really wanted to take advantage of it and do some yard work. We give our kids different opportunities in which they can earn money to buy things that they want. For example, those erasers, our daughter bought it with money that she had earned. It worked so wonderfully with our kids. it really gives them a sense of ownership and responsibility. And that's something that we really work on instilling in our kids, that sense of responsibility and appreciation for the things that we have. So this year we are buying all things local. And we got, what is this, a yard of this? A yard of red mulch, only 34 bucks from Gerlach's here in Erie. And the quality is good. It smells so good. Doesn't have that weird bagged smell or anything, and the color is so rich. So it's our first time using this one, so we're excited to see how it turns out this year. Little trunk. And Noah is ready to do the heavy duty work.
Oh my goodness. Daddy,
Bonus time.
Daddy said I'm ready.
Not been to this outdoor flea market since my daughter was born. That was like 5 years ago. And we had such a nice Saturday, and the kids had a little bit of bonus money they had earned. We thought, why not come here and see if we can find any fun treasures. May's first time at the flea market.
They have good toys.
Yeah,
Last time I came here, I was so little.
You were.
And now he has a milk mustache.
Yes.
We're here.
All right, guys, there's tons of stuff here.
They look like little sharks.
Oh, that's cute.
Noah said he wants that for, if he has 40 bucks, he wants to buy that for his room.
Seriously? I think you'll have
You want to pose
nightmares.
for a picture?
I think Noah found his favorite spot, the game stuff.
You know.
It's a bell, they're all bells.
I thought that was a cat.
It is a cat, it's a cat bell. Dad bought himself some
know that
Legos.
what's gonna happen is it's not gonna be.
He's gonna regret it, and they're gonna be gone. Thanks, Dad, for saving the day. Bye, Mimi. You show me?
Cinderella, she has a beautiful dress and I'm collecting my bags.
Yeah. It's starting to rain, so I think our trip is gonna be cut short. But I got myself this cool little plant for $1. Why not give it a try? I've never had one of these. Mimi got her Barbie. Sean got some Legos. Let's see, what are they looking at here? What are you guys looking at?
Look what we found her.
Oh man.
What did he find?
Okay.
Tiny
Do you
little-
see what you guys missed out on?
You're $1 each.
Oh, those are cute.
Missed out on a whole bunch of guys.
This is Star Trooper. I don't think I've ever seen them that small.
Oh, I wonder what this
Tiny.
is
How
from.
much was he?
$1. He was inside of the dog bin.
Oh, wow,
I forgot
nice.
this tiny
Don't lose them.
I forgot this tiny car.
All in all, good visit.
Rainy, but
No. I got 3 things.
check this out.
Dad feels like he has the best find of the
Look
day.
at some of these guys.
Look at this caption.
We got Ninjago in there.
Here, whatever this guy is. Oh, this is good.
There's some good pieces. Some wheels.
Yeah.
You happy with your find, Dad?
Yes, very happy because I don't know why.
But and you have it comes with a bucket.
It does come with a container.
So, Mimi, what did you think of your first visit to the flea market?
It was very good experience.
It was a good experience. Noah, well, how was your first visit in many, many years?
Oh, it was nice.
Dad?
And I
Awesome
loved
experience. I haven't been here in like 2 years.
Yeah. So it was a fun visit.
And I really like the toys. They have good toys.
It was a really fun visit. It actually has been a really fun weekend, right? We went to that Homeschool EXPO yard sale thing yesterday, which I definitely am happy that we went there because we found our music teacher. Much better than what I thought it was going to be. And then today we came to the flea market. So it's been a nice weekend of thrifting. Thank you so much for coming along with us. And if you have not yet done so, please remember to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time. Bye.